Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about how you can transfer Apple gift card to PayPal Cash. Now officially, you cannot redeem an Apple gift card and add it to your PayPal balance. However, guys, there are some workarounds. So what you can try doing is you can try, you know, selling this gift card for a retailer that basically offers cashback or is easily sellable. For example, Amazon or Walmart, you can sell that gift card to someone else for cash, or you can use a gift card exchange website. So there's websites, for example, Card Cash or Raise that allows you to sell or trade gift cards for cash. You may not actually get the full value, but it's actually a way to convert your, you know, Apple gift card to PayPal Cash. And if you actually buy goods or services that you can resell, you can actually sell those items and receive them via PayPal. Or if you know someone who wants to buy, music apps or other content, you could sell your Apple gift card directly to them for PayPal Cash. You can find in Discord servers, Facebook Marketplace groups, and you can use their escrow services as well. There will be some moderators in those servers. You can use them, and those are some of the methods, guys. And of course, I need you to be cautious. Try to use escrow services or middlemen online to safeguard yourself. Anyways, I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you in the next one.